Hi, today on Enso Homestead, it's snowing outside, so we're in the shop minting Enso coins. For my coin blanks, I'm just using a common penny. I found out that, altering it, smushing it, changing it is not illegal unless you're trying to pass it off as fake currency or counterfeit or fraud or anything like that. But if you're just making art or projects, it's totally legal to smash or cut up or destroy pennies. In order to get the heads and tails off the penny, I like to put it just in here and give it a good press smash to make it a nice clean slate. There we go, nice and flat. Here's kind of the evolution of the coins. The first one, I made this die just with a Dremel on some round stock that I had. And it actually made a pretty decent Enso logo just from the round stock. But then I found somebody on Etsy who makes custom dies out of Lithuania. And these ones are coming out way better. And then I got another little flower stamp so I can have coins for my daughter. All right, so I ordered these custom dies out of Lithuania, and I just put a little paper sleeve on it just as a centering jig. So when I can put the penny in there, and just like a roll of pennies or a roll of quarters, as it presses through, it keeps it perfectly centered. All right, here's the setup that I'm using right now. I've just got, a hardened piece of tool steel with the die, and then another piece of hardened tool steel above it, just to kind of protect the press. All right, and then we just have to add some force to it and make sure that we don't go too far because we don't want to bust through the penny, but it's got to be enough to stamp into the penny. Okay. Sometimes the pennies stick to the bottom of the die, especially this one because I forgot to put cutting fluid on it because I was filming. So I just put it here in the vise and pop it out. All right, this time we're going to put a little bit of a Tap Magic cutting fluid on there. I forgot to do this last time. It doesn't have to be a ton, but just some. Put our next blank on there. There we go, so our blank's in there. And now, put that in the vise. All right, so again, this one's stuck on the die. So right there, just put it here in the vise. Give it a little squeeze. Sometimes just tapping it will get it off. And so, there you go. All right, here is a close-up of the Enso coin. Sorry, my hands are shaking a little bit. All right, so again, here is kind of a close-up on the coin. trying to keep it in focus, but it doesn't want to stay in focus very well. So if you or anybody you know wants a Enso coin, shoot me an IM and I'll just send you one for free.